Imagine having a virtual copy of a real-world factory, a city's traffic system, or even the human heart, one that behaves just like the real thing, but exists in the digital world. You could test, predict, and optimize everything before making costly mistakes in the real world. This is not science fiction, this is digital twin technology. And here's the exciting part. India is standing right at the edge of a digital twin revolution. With Industry 4.0, smart cities, AI, IoT, and 5G expanding rapidly, businesses are racing to adopt digital twins to cut costs, boost efficiency, and stay competitive. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to starting a digital twin solutions business in India. Whether you're a tech entrepreneur, a startup founder, or part of an enterprise looking for the next big leap, this video will give you the roadmap. What we'll cover in this video? First, target audience, then market research and industry trends, marketing and sales strategy, startup cost and financial planning, funding and investment options, profit margins, company incorporation and legal steps, supporting documents required, and finally, how Market Research Universe can help you launch. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. 1. Target audience. So, first things first, who actually needs digital twin solutions? Well, the demand really spans multiple industries. Manufacturing companies like, automotive and aerospace are looking for predictive maintenance and smoother operations. Smart cities and urban planners are using digital twins for infrastructure, utilities, and traffic management, and healthcare providers as well as medtech innovators simulate patient-specific treatments and design medical devices. Energy and utilities companies are applying digital twins to optimize power plants, oil refineries, and renewable energy farms. Real estate and construction firms use it for smart buildings and BIM modeling. Logistics companies apply it to supply chain, warehouse management, and fleet optimization. Each of these industries, honestly, requires customized solutions and different pricing strategies, which makes this market both versatile and lucrative. 2. Market research and market analysis. Now let's talk numbers. The Indian digital twin market in 2024 is estimated at around 3,500 to 4,000 crore. By 2030, it's projected to grow more than 4 times, crossing 15,000 crore, with a stunning CAGR of 30 to 35%. The growth is driven by Industry 4.0 adoption, the rollout of IoT and 5G, and government-led initiatives like Smart Cities and Digital India. Some key players in the Indian ecosystem include Siemens, Dassault Systems, PTC, Infosys, TCS, and Wipro. Emerging trends? Think cloud-native digital twins, AI-powered predictive analytics, and even AR and VR integrated digital twins for immersive visualization. Plus, sustainability-focused digital twins are becoming big, helping companies track and reduce their carbon footprint. 3. Marketing and sales strategy. So, how do you actually sell your solution? Well, branding and positioning are key. Market yourself as an Industry 4.0 enabler. Highlight those unique selling points like AI-driven predictions, cloud-native deployment, or custom integrations tailored for Indian enterprises. Sales channels. Let's break it down. You've got direct B2B sales to large enterprises, partnering with IT integrators, building your online presence through thought leadership content, and of course, Bidding for government smart city tenders. Promotions partner with industry associations like CII, FICI, and NASCOM. Run pilot projects with manufacturers or hospitals to really show that ROI. Publish white papers and success case studies to gain trust. And don't forget industry expos. IoT India, Smart Manufacturing Expo, and more are just perfect to showcase what you've got. 4. Financial planning. Let's break down the initial investment, shall we? Product development may cost anywhere between 15 to 40 lakh rupees. Then, cloud infrastructure and IoT hardware could take about 8 to 20 lakh. Branding and marketing, well, that may need 5 to 12 lakh. For tech team salaries, if you're looking at 6 to 12 months, you'll want to budget around 20 to 50 lakh. And don't forget legal and compliance. That's another 2 to 5 lakh. So, overall, you're looking at an investment of around 50 lakh to 1.2 crore rupees to actually build and launch your digital twin startup. 5. Funding and investment options. Now, how do you raise that kind of money? Bootstrapping is definitely possible for MVP development. Angel investors and venture capitalists are actively funding SaaS and AI-driven models these days. Plus, government support is available through the Startup India Seed Fund, Digital India, Make in India, and MSME innovation grants. So, corporate partnerships with Infosys, TCS, or Wipro can give you not just capital, but also, that much-needed market access. And don't overlook international smart infrastructure funds from organizations like IFC and the World Bank, especially if you're working on sustainability-focused projects. 6. Profit margin. Digital twin solutions are, honestly, high-margin businesses. SaaS-based licensing can bring margins of 60 to 70%, which is pretty impressive. Customized enterprise solutions tend to average about 40 to 55%, while IoT hardware and software bundles still yield a solid 30 to 40%. Most businesses can expect to break even in about 18 to 24 months, once those enterprise contracts start rolling in. 7. Company incorporation and legal compliance. To establish your business, it's best to register as an LLP or a private limited company. This also makes it easier to attract investors. You'll need GST registration, intellectual property protection for algorithms, ISO 27001 certification for information security, GDPR compliance if working with global clients, and BIS certification if you bundle IoT hardware. 8. Supporting documents and compliance. Before scaling, prepare your supporting documents, product architecture and pilot validation reports, IoT security compliance audits, vendor and cloud agreements with AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, and of course, cybersecurity certifications. These build trust with large enterprises and government agencies. How Market Research Universe can help. Starting a digital twin solutions company in India isn't just about technology, it's about strategy, funding, compliance, and market positioning. That's where expert guidance can make all the difference. At Market Research Universe, we help startups and enterprises with a variety of services. Our services: real-time market research and competitor intelligence, customer segmentation go-to-market strategies, marketing campaign strategy business plan, pitch decks and financial models, business registration, regulatory compliances and documentation. Our solution MRU Navigator, India's and the world's most advanced real-time market research, strategy and business planning platform and tool for startup founders, CXOs, directors, investors, and academic professionals. Whether you're validating a new idea or scaling an existing business, MRU Navigator empowers you with real-time market insights, industry trends, competitor analysis, and consumer intelligence. From crafting feasible business plans to creating investor-ready pitch decks, MRU Navigator transforms your vision into actionable, data-driven strategies, all in one intuitive platform.
Every great success story begins with a vision. But what if you had a roadmap to turn that vision into reality? Introducing MRU Navigator for Business Planning, your go-to-market platform for startup business planning, real-time startup market trends, forecasts, competitors, opportunity, and business niche tracking. Imagine this. You're standing at the starting line of your business journey. What if you already knew where the hurdles were? What if you had a strategy before you even took your first step? That's exactly what MRU Navigator for Business Planning does. It gives you a clear, data-driven roadmap to navigate the startup world with confidence. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, MRU Navigator gives you the power of foresight with business plan reports and templates, ready to use, professionally designed to fast-track your startup journey, real-time market trends, dashboard, stay ahead of industry shifts and make informed decisions, competitor and opportunity analysis, identify gaps, analyze competition, and uncover hidden opportunities, business niche tracking, spot emerging trends before they explode into the mainstream. Your success isn't a matter of chance, it's a matter of the right plan. Let MRU Navigator for Business Planning be the launchpad to your entrepreneurial dream. Your startup's journey begins with the right plan. Start with MRU Navigator for Business Planning for real-time market trends, opportunities, and business niche tracking. So what are you waiting for? Sign up your free account today.